2022 winter camp.
Hi, this is Pofu Major, 2022 Winter Enrichment Classes. At MAHLASEDI Academic Center from 26 June to 9 July.
Boarding fee, which is 1,850 only, which covers catering of a 3-meal course, including accommodation, t-shirt at MAHLASEDI Academic Center, and tuition. Career Expo and educational entertainment.
Day Scholar, 1,000. Subject offered.
Science stream, commercial stream, humanity, and also languages, but excluding LO.
You need a minimum of 300 rand to book your space, and there are prizes to be won. The top learner gets a brand new laptop.
Second best will get half price refund.
Return to 12 Arian Campo Barachaga. MAHLASEDI Academic Center, boss.
MAHLASEDI Academic Center, making your future shine.